Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. I am happy to announce that today we are going to start a new series. From now on, in this series, you will get air fryer recipes. Nowadays, people are very health conscious and they mostly prefer recipes made with minimum amount of oil. It has advantages over traditional cooking methods. That's why they now prefer to cook in an air fryer. Cooking in this way is healthy as well as quick and easy. Today we are going to make the chicken leg roast. So without wasting time, let's get started. Please watch the video till the end without skipping. Otherwise, you will miss some crucial steps. Take 1 to 1.5 kg of thoroughly cleaned chicken legs. Slit each leg superficially like this. Shift the pieces in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 hand crushed kasuri methi, half cup hung curd, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of white oil. Mix them thoroughly and marinate for 4 to 5 hours in the fridge. Let's grease the air fryer pan with 1 teaspoon of white oil. Now put the marinated chicken leg pieces into the pan. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and keep watching for more amazing recipes in the future. Insert them into the air fryer. Set the temperature at 170 degrees centigrade and time to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, bring out the pan and turn all the legs upside down. Once again, insert the pan into the air fryer and set the temperature at 170 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the air fryer and give a standing time of 10 minutes. Now the chicken leg roast is ready to be served with green salad and green chutney. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Like it. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box too. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.